Hi guys, I wanted to do a video on drawing legibility, which is how readable a drawing is. Here is a drawing that an interior designer issued to site which is supposed to show electrical and lighting layouts. The builder had no idea what was going on, and you can see why it's illegible, but let's break this down. First of all, the dimensions for the shower room setting out are displayed, which is irrelevant to an electrical drawing. I don't need to know how wide the loo is when I'm wiring a room. Even if you needed setting out dimensions for light fittings, these lines are so heavy they dominate the drawing and they read as structure. And line weight is so crucial in being able to read a drawing. Here, the wardrobe line weight is much heavier than the actual stud walls, so they read stronger, whereas at the very least they should be the same line thickness. The brick walls here have the thickest line weight, which is correct, but it's the same line weight as the door here, which is made of timber, and the same line weight as a dotted line, which indicates the door overhead. So that dotted line should not read as heavy as this masonry structure because it looks like a bit of wall, which it isn't. This is a much better example where the drawing is stripped back to the necessary information that the builder actually needs. The next step for this drawing is to add setting out dimensions, but you can see how much more legible it is. So someone looking at this drawing for the first time will instantly know what information you're trying to convey. So when you're at university, just bear this in mind, be clear about what you're trying to show and don't cloud the message of your drawing.